curl my hair a bit. I guess I should need something more. Should I write a script? No. How about I should paint my lips? No. Okay guys, let's end it. Hey folks, welcome to my channel. So this is just an intro video in which I will cover what all will be covered in my videos. Let's begin with a formal introduction. My name is Aishwarya Srivastav and my hobbies include dancing, cooking, reading books, writing poems and short stories. And in my videos we'll be sharing some English video lecture series, some dancing videos, some cooking videos and many more things. Hope you all will enjoy the journey with me, and a journey where we will explore new things, where the things will be exciting. So just keep in touch and we'll meet super soon with new and just amazing videos. We'll see you super soon. Bye. Take care.